Welcome to Just a Sliver. Here's a sliver of lasagna. I chose to do just a sliver of lasagna because I had recently completed the 5 French mother sauces. Click the banner above to cook them now. So in this video, you will see that I'm using tomate and also bechamel. In a pan, I had fried off with some olive oil, some onion, garlic, and I've also put in some thyme and some bay leaves. Once the onion was brown, I put in a 50-50 mix of pork and beef mince. You'll see I put in a little bit of wine, and then, once that was mixed in, put in the tomate. To further deepen the flavour, a tablespoon of tomato paste, and as you can see, I've fluttered some basil leaves over the top, and mix that in. Bring it to a simmer, but be careful, it'll spit everywhere. Having the tomato sauce already in the fridge is a game changer for dinner. Now time for the bechamel. Because it's been in the fridge, it will be quite thick. So in a pot, with a splash of milk, bring to a very, very slow heat. You want it on the lowest setting possible, otherwise you'll end up burning it. And then constantly mix until you're happy with the consistency. Now it's time to assemble the lasagna. A nice thin layer of the sauce mixture on the bottom. Then we're going in with a drizzle of the bechamel. Now with the lasagna pasta sheets, you may need to crack it just to make sure that it fits and you're not overlapping too much. More of the sauce mixture. It doesn't need to be overly thick because you do want a nice 3 layers at least of your pasta sheets. Then in with some more of the bechamel. And then I have already put in the pasta sheets. And then just repeating that until you're finished with all of your sauce. You'll want to finish the lasagna off with a white sauce on the top. And then we're putting that into the oven at 220 degrees for 20 minutes, just to ensure that the pasta sheets are completely cooked. Halfway through, I put in some cheese and trialed some panko breadcrumbs on one side. It's a game changer. I really enjoyed the texture. Thanks for joining me for Just a Sliver lasagna. It was a very quick look at how I put this lasagna together. The takeaway is that because I had 2 of the sauces ready to go, it really cut the preparation time in half. So head to the sauces and get cooking. See you soon.